Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, quietly filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and regulating hundreds of essential functions every single day. But when burdened by years of poor diet, stress, and environmental exposure, your liver can become sluggish, leaving you feeling bloated, tired, and heavy. The good news is that nature has provided powerful tools to help your liver cleanse and restore itself completely. Start every morning with warm lemon water to stimulate bile flow and kick your digestive system into gear. Add dandelion root tea to your daily routine as it actively promotes liver cell regeneration. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that protects liver tissue from damage. Garlic activates liver enzymes that naturally flush out harmful substances. Leafy greens like spinach and kale neutralize heavy metals and pesticides stored deep within liver tissue. Reducing alcohol consumption dramatically decreases inflammation and allows your liver to begin healing immediately. Cutting processed foods, refined sugars, and hydrogenated oils removes the primary sources of toxic buildup. Staying well hydrated ensures waste products are continuously flushed from your system. Exercise regularly to boost circulation and support natural metabolic detoxification. Your liver is remarkably resilient, and with consistent care, it can restore itself beautifully.